The East African Legislative Assembly has passed a law that seeks to establish an EAC Statistics Bureau, an institution responsible for the development, production and dissemination of community statistics in order to support the establishment of EAC Monetary Union.
The Statistics Bureau Bill 2017 has been duly passed by this Assembly.
During the heated debate, the lawmakers were concerned that the academic qualification of board members is not enough for one to qualify for a job, but proper conduct of an individual must be taken care of.
Not just the qualifications, but other criteria as you've guided. And the other criteria here is fit and proper.
But fit and proper itself is not a standard. It is a judgment, in my opinion. But this fit and proper person, right now, Chair, is tainted with ambiguity to the extent that those that are actually answering to the demand of the job seeker might use their own contemplations.
That it is not the community to define the issue of fit and proper, it is actually the partner states. This is what we need to understand. I do not know of any senior position in any one of our partner states that is done without proper vetting of the person who is going to take that office.
Apart from degrees and experience, is there any other provision that is addressing those other attributes that a public office holder must have? No. And how do we cater for it?
I don't think when you are appointing a senior leader, qualifications in terms of masters or PhDs is enough. More is required of you. And if we are talking about qualification, even on 8A is a national of a partner state. That's not a qualification, but it's a criteria that will help when appointing this important person.
Every partner state will be required to select one person to sit on the board. An earlier proposal that the executive directors of the national bureaus will constitute a board was rejected by Tanzania. Meanwhile, lawmakers were also concerned that lack of quorum by the attorney generals of the partner states is derailing the progress of the community.
Attorneys general have to meet to take any particular decision. At least one of them goes missing, and then they have to forward those meetings over and over again.
In the circumstance that an officer or a minister or a president is not able to attend a meeting under Article 10, the element of delegation is allowed.
The establishment of the East African Community Statistics Bureau will be key in the implementation of the Monetary Union that seeks to establish an East African central bank and a common currency of the region. Jingo Francis, NTV, in Arusha, Tanzania.